To apply foundation and powder, start with a clean, dry face. You'll need moisturizer, a foundation that matches the color of your skin, foam makeup sponges or brushes, and some powder. To start, apply some face moisturizer, then a primer, so your makeup stays on longer. Dip your sponge or brush into the foundation and start in the center of your forehead, blending outward. Reload your sponge or brush as needed to apply an even layer of foundation over your entire face. Don't forget to smooth the foundation down a little around your nose and the sides of your cheeks to blend it in. Let the foundation dry for a few minutes if you weren't using a dry foundation. Then apply any other makeup, like blush, eyeshadow, or lipstick, before you finish with a powder. Swirl a clean powder brush in some powder. Gently tap the brush on the side of the powder case to knock the excess off. Then apply the powder under your eyes, around your jawline, and over your forehead. Continue loading the brush and applying more powder until you achieve the finish you're going for. If you accidentally apply too much powder, use a dry, clean makeup brush to wipe the excess off.